Okay, hey everybody, we just changed the group. If you've been in this group for a while, it used to be dedicated to the Thanks.io postcard marketing stuff, which will still be featuring innovative postcards, but we're broadening the approach here, and I figured I'd kick it off with a quick content piece to give you an example of the kind of stuff you might find here from us and from the people who are going to be contributing to the group. Anyway, what I wanted to do in this video was show you how we created that pin post above about the group that kind of introduces people to the group, and specifically, of course, the tools that we used first off were Google Slides. So we didn't use any fancy or expensive software. We just used Google Slideshow tool at Google Drive. And then I get a lot of questions from time to time about how I do these animated images. So that's another thing I want to show you. We got this dancing spam guy, and it's as easy as just going and searching Google Images for something. So if I go in here and I type spam, and then I want to use tools and do type animated, or used to be animated. I guess they're calling it GIF now. I swear it used to say animated. And there's my guy over here. And then what you can do a lot of times, you can right click and you can copy the image address and then pop on into your Google Slides right here. And then you're going to go insert up above image by URL, and then you can pop the URL in and it'll add it. And what's cool about this approach, of course, the reason I'm bringing it up is that I use this in my dirty sales letters a lot. And the feedback I always get is, hey, that kind of held my attention. And that's what it does. It just kind of keeps things moving. People get bored. So you didn't go crazy on the design here, right? I got black on white background with a little bit of color on the dirty. I got Michael Jackson, though, eating popcorn and a couple of these GIFs sprinkled in. And it really kind of punches things up without a lot of extra effort. It just takes kind of a minute to Google some of these things. So that's so free Google Drive. Pop some animated images in there into your videos, and then the last thing I'll mention is that I use screencast-o-matic.com. You can use screencasting software. It's screencastingsoftware.com if you want the tool that was used. Now all you do is you just draw the box around the video, kind of like how I've done here, and you just start reading what you did, and then you can edit it really easy in Screencast-O-Matic, screencastingsoftware.com. But that's about it. Thanks for being here in the Dirty Marketing Mastermind group. If you have any ideas like this or any comments about this approach, or you want to share how you make your videos, definitely share down below in the comments. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.